Hello dear friends and partners. As Christmas is coming, we want to have this moment to say thank you.
Thank you for your trust and support all the year.
May your holiday be filled with warmth and joy.
Wishing you a wonderful Christmas and a bright start to the new year.
Happy holiday! All the best to you!
С Новым годом! Желаю всем успеха и здоровья!
Ồ, xin chào mừng người. Nhân dịp Giáng sinh sắp đến, chúc mừng ngày một mặt Giáng sinh an ninh, vui vẻ.
Merry Christmas! 素敵なクリスマスをお過ごしください。
Hi, this is Alice from Norby, US. Thank you for your support, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
สวัสดีครับ Merry Christmas จากโนมิประเทศไทยครับ มีความสุขทุกคน เฮงๆรวยๆโอ้โห